Wow, SHAYM. Anya, what did you think of his performance?
I'm so glad you applied for this. I can tell you've been working on your singing as well. You've gone so much better. And the song is really, really current. I reckon if this was to be like released and like the right person found it, I reckon it could be massive. I said last time you were here, I'm surprised that no one had found you yet, and I still am. Because you've got it all. You've got like the persona, you've got those songs, you've got all the original tracks. And yeah, I'm just a bit shocked that you haven't been found yet, to be honest. Incredible, well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, your writing skills are they're immense, and I do, despite our first meeting, I do always really look forward to hearing what you're going to come up with, because lyrically it's just on point. And I agree with Anya, I think you could slot right into the industry now to what's current and what's selling. Like my daughters listen to a lot of stuff, and I think that could be you, they could be listening to you. It was just fantastic. And Joey was like, your stage presence has changed, you know, and I looked at you and I thought, yes, something about you has changed. You seem peaceful, more calm, more assured up there. You've got a confidence, and that's great to see, especially with how talented you are. That was fantastic. Well done.
Honestly, that for me was a remarkable change in what I've seen of you before. Everything, I don't know what you've done since I'd last seen you all them months ago to now, but whatever you've been doing has absolutely worked. Everything about that, I picked up a lot of things with your singing and all of this and that, and honestly, this time around, the lyrics to that song, that's the best song I've heard you write, alright, 100% hands down. The rap in it was the best quality rap I've heard from you, and do you know what? Your singing sounded mega in that. Everything about that, including your presentation, how you performed it, but absolutely, you've stepped it up by billions. You've just gone right up to there, and I'm so glad to have you in my category this season. I really, really am. I'm so impressed by that, but you absolutely smashed it. Everything about that was perfect. Well done, buddy. Awesome.